Greetings, Dan Daniels here. This is a big shout out to Wang Shui, who posted this article, How to Predict Severe Traffic Jams. Very interesting article. What was most interesting for me, however, was this discovery of collaboratory Chrome extension. And the Chrome extension is here. It's called Open in Colab. Go ahead and install it. And once it's installed, you'll see a little yellow CO in your extension toolbar. And what it allows you to do is open IPYNB files directly in Collaboratory. So here is Wang Shui's demo traffic prediction. Let me go ahead and show you how it works. So this is an IPYNB. You can see that up here. And now I'm going to open it directly in Colab. So it says open in Notebook in Google Lab. And bingo, how sweet is that? Naturally, you'll want to do a file, save a copy in Drive if you want to keep it. But if you just want to play with code and see what it looks like, it's pretty darn cool because you can start getting into code real fast using this tool. But you might say, all right, this is perhaps just a one-off. That's not the case. Let's go to another one. This is the mlcourse.ai, very popular on GitHub and very well maintained. You can see that many of these tutorials, at least for the Jupyter English tutorials, have been updated within 60 hours or less. Okay, this one's a little old, but that's fine. Let's go ahead and just test another one to see if the IPYNB is still valid in other events. So, catastrophic events. That sounds cool. Let's open catastrophic events, spelled TRUMP. And we have the IPYNB file loading. And now, again, go to the little yellow CO, open Notebook in Google Colab. And there it is. File. Actually, we don't even need to. Wow. So this is a notebook full of information. And I think I can say without hesitation, this extension, Open in Colab, is really super cool. All right, thanks for watching. And again, thanks to Wang Shui. Where is he? Yes. Thanks to Wang Shui for his tip on this Colab extension. Thanks for watching and happy computing.